How karma really works. Krishna's secret the world gets wrong. You have been thinking about karma all wrong. And I mean that with love, because I used to think the same way. Most people believe karma is simple. Do good, get back good. Do bad, face consequences. But Lord Krishna reveals something far deeper in the Bhagavad Gita, something that changes not just how you see karma, but how you live every single day. Have you ever done everything right? Worked hard, helped others, stayed honest, and still things did not go the way you hoped? And then you see someone dishonest, someone selfish, and they seem to be doing just fine. You must have thought, where is karma? Where is justice? I have heard this so many times, and the frustration is completely real. But Lord Krishna would gently say to you, you are asking the wrong question. In chapter 2, verse 47, on the great battlefield of Kurukshetra, Lord Krishna speaks these immortal words to Arjuna. Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana, which means you have the right to perform your duties, but you are never entitled to the fruits of your action. Read that one more time. You have the right to act. You do not have the right to the result. Most of us, without realizing it, live the exact opposite. We barely focus on the action, but we obsess over the result. We do our work while mentally calculating, what will I get? Will people notice? Will this succeed? Will I be rewarded? And when the result does not arrive as we imagined, we feel cheated. We feel lost. We feel like karma isn't real. But karma is very real. We have simply misunderstood what it is. Krishna describes 3 forms of karma. Once you understand these, it is like a light switching on in a dark room. The first is Sanchita Karma, the accumulated karma from all past actions, including past lifetimes. This is the storehouse. You cannot see it, but it exists. Every action you have ever taken, every intention you have ever held, it is recorded here. The second is Prarabdha Karma, the portion of that storehouse that is active in this life. It shapes your starting circumstances, your family, your body, your early challenges. This is why 2 people can make the same effort and get different results. They are not on the same starting ground. The third, and this is the most important one, is Kriyamana Karma, the karma you are creating right now, in this moment, with every thought, every word, every action you choose. This is the only karma that is fully in your hands. So when life feels unfair, when you ask, where is the justice? The answer is this: karma operates across a much longer timeline than we can see. Like a seed planted today that becomes a tree, you may not live to sit under it, but someone will. There is a story I love that illustrates this beautifully. A young farmer was frustrated. He had planted his seeds, watered them every day, worked from sunrise to sunset. But when he looked at his neighbor's field, a neighbor who had started weeks later, his neighbor's crops seemed to grow faster. He could see the green shoots rising. Confused and disheartened, he went to his guru and said, "Is my karma bad? Have I done something wrong? Why is he ahead of me?" The guru smiled softly and said, "Go home. Keep watering your seeds." His plant grew upward quickly because the roots are shallow. Your roots went deep first. Deep roots are not visible from above, but when the storms come, and they always come, only the one with deep roots will stand. That farmer is you. Every honest effort, every quiet prayer, every moment you chose to do the right thing when no one was watching. It is all going deep, building roots you cannot yet see, but they are real and they will hold you. So what does Krishna actually want us to do with this understanding? He says, do your duty, do it fully, do it sincerely, but do it as an offering, not for your own glory, not for praise, not for a specific reward, but as a gift to something greater than yourself. This is what he calls Nishkama Karma, action without craving the fruit. And this is not passive. This is not don't try. This is the deepest form of trying, where your full energy goes into the quality of your effort, not into calculating the reward. Think about how this feels. When you stop asking, what will I get? And start asking, am I doing this with my full integrity? Something shifts inside you. The anxiety lifts, the peace arrives, because you are now doing the only thing that is always within your power. You are not responsible for the harvest. You are responsible for the quality of your planting. And here is what makes this so beautiful. Krishna says your sincere actions are avyaya, imperishable. They never go to waste. Ever. They will return. Maybe not today, maybe not in the form you expected, but they will return. So the next time life feels unfair, the next time you wonder where karma is, please do not ask, why is this happening to me? Ask instead, am I planting the right seeds today? Because that is the only question you can truly answer. And according to Lord Krishna, it is the only question that matters. Your karma is building right now, in this moment, with this breath. Make it count. Jai Shri Krishna. If this teaching brought you some peace or clarity today, subscribe to Gita Wisdom. Every week, one teaching from Lord Krishna, not as ancient scripture, but as a living guide for your life right now. And I want to hear from you in the comments below. What is the one result you have been worrying about that is actually not in your control? Let's reflect together.